What do you need to know and what do you need to do in order to be successful in this class? So, here is our class in Schoology. This is the materials page, and I'm going to just walk you through a couple things that you need to see and know in order to be ready to participate and do an awesome job in this class. So make sure you log in every day to Schoology and check our course along with your other courses. In our course, you will see in the materials page there is this Bitmoji classroom. I will change the links regularly, but as of right now, the links are connected to different fun sites and activities. This is if you want to start designing something for a 3D printer, click on here, it'll take you to Tinkercad. If you want to learn more about design thinking, go to this link. If you want to email me, click me. If you want to do the Breakout EDU game of the week, click on here. If you want to learn how to make your own virtual reality tour, go to this link. If you want to learn how to make your own augmented reality, click here. Play around with Sphero here. Learn how to make an iMovie by clicking on this. And learn more about Schoology here. So, oh, and there's some fun maker projects. There's a lot, so explore it. But down here is where you're really going to get into the class. So, welcome, start here, and I mean it. So make sure you're really clear on what is expected in this class, who I am, how to get a hold of me by clicking on this folder. In here, you'll see some information about me. You can click on anything that's a different color. It's a link. You can click here to email or message me. And here you have just basic policies, but down here is really important. You'll see our actual syllabus for this class. So that's going to go week by week and really show you what to expect for this class and what the whole class is about. So once you've explored that welcome folder, you're going to go back to the materials page, and here in course assignments is where you'll really find all of your work. So any assignments that are due for this class that are explained in the syllabus will be in here. And there is going to be a new folder for every week. Your view will look a little bit different because I will only give you access to a folder or two at a time. So right now weeks 1 and 2 are published for you to view. And you'll also see dates along the bottom. So those are the weeks for those dates for those weeks. And within each folder, you'll find anything that you need for the week. You'll find the weekly discussion board, any weekly assignments or assessments, basically anything you need to view and complete will be here within the weekly folder. So make sure to be aware of that every week. The other important piece is updates. So besides materials, you also want to make sure you're regularly checking updates. And updates are just anything I need to make sure everyone knows, or I might even create a poll. I can click on that and create a poll. Yes, no. I could ask, did you like last week's class? Yes or no? And if I post that, oh, that didn't post correctly, sorry. If I post that, it will show, there we go. It will show answers to me and everyone else just with numbers. So I will have no idea who posted each response or said yes or no. But it just gives me an idea of how everyone's doing, what everyone's thinking. So make sure to complete any polls, or if I post a question or I'm sharing something, just make sure you see those updates. The last thing you should be paying attention to are, of course, your grades. I will be regularly keeping up with grades, so make sure you're checking your grades so that you're aware of how you're doing in this class and all of your classes. And most importantly, make sure you are communicating with me. If you have questions, don't understand something after you read the directions, so make sure you read the directions first, then please, please, please always message me. You can go up here to message me and click new message, or you can back in materials, click on my Bitmoji to email me. So make sure you are doing the things that you need to do to stay in touch and complete your work. And then over here, you'll see any assignments that are due. So make sure you're paying attention over here to any assignments that might be due. So that's it. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions.